Does size matter? If we're talking about PC gaming rigs, the answer is yes. Lyft opens up a subscription option to its power users, and the death of net neutrality in the US gets a date. It's all the tech news that's popular right now. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. It's Friday, May 11th, and I'm your host, Brian Jackson. Trending on Google is Corsair's massive new computer case. If you've ever geeked out on building your own PC, the Obsidian Series 1000D might just make you drool. It's Corsair's largest PC case ever. How big is it, you ask? It's so big that you can build 2 computers inside of it. 2! That would be one eATX system and one mini ITX system. There's also 13 mounts for cooling fans, 2 power supplies, space for 11 storage drives, and integrated RGB lighting if you really want to pimp your rig. So if you're planning on building a ridiculous gaming PC or maybe a crypto mining rig, this is the case for you. Check out the photos on our show notes page on itworldcanada.com. Trending on LinkedIn, Lyft is changing its payment model. It's rolling out a new monthly subscription service for its heaviest users. Called the All Access Plan, this is only going to be available via a waitlist for a small selection of riders. Here's how it works. You pay $200 up front, and that gets you $15 off your next 30 rides. So that would be a savings of $250 if you took 30 rides worth $15 in 1 month. Lyft CEO Logan Green says the company wants to achieve for transportation what Netflix did for television. Trending on Facebook, we now have a date for the end of net neutrality in the US, June 11. The Federal Communications Commission announced the date in a document released yesterday. Remember, the new FCC chairman, Ajit Pai, led the charge on repealing the net neutrality rules in December. Those rules prevented communications carriers from discriminating between different types of data, no matter what the content or source of that data. Now that the rules are repealed, carriers could charge different rates for different types of content from different sources on the internet. But most carriers have at least pledged to not block or discriminate against legal content. But the June 11 date isn't set in stone yet. The US Senate may vote to reject the changes as early as next week. That's what's trending today. Hashtag Trending is produced by the ITWC Podcast Network. If you enjoy Hashtag Trending, please be sure to give us a rating and a review on Amazon, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, or wherever else you get your podcasts from. Thanks for listening. I'm Brian Jackson.